is the easiest recipe of restaurant style veg biryani or veg pulav. Let's get started. In a pan, take 2 bay leaves, 2 cinnamon sticks, 6 cardamom, 8 cloves, 2 star anise, 2 mace, 2 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon pepper and 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds. Saute the spices for 2 minutes or till you get the aroma. Do not burn. Now transfer it to a mixie jar and grind it into a powder. Now add 12 cloves of garlic, 1 inch ginger, some coriander leaves, 6 green chilies. Now grind it into a paste. Our homemade biryani masala is ready. In a cooker, heat 5 tablespoons of oil and 5 tablespoons of ghee. To it, add the homemade biryani masala. Saute well for 2 minutes or till you get a nice aroma. Now add 4 onions, slice them thinly. Saute well till the onion turns transparent like this. Now in goes 4 tomatoes. Saute well till it becomes like a paste. Like this. Now let's add the veggies. Here I have 2 potatoes. I've cut them in cubes. 3 carrots. Half cup of chopped beans. Give it a good mix. Now add half cup of peas. I'm using frozen peas. 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now give it a good mix. Now add 1 cup of curd to the veggies. Give it a good mix. Here I have 4 cups of basmati rice. I have washed and soaked it in water for 30 minutes and have strained it. Now give it a good mix. We have added 4 cups of basmati rice, right? So we need to add 5 cups of water. Salt as required. Stir it well. Take few drops of the water and taste it. It should be little salty. After adjusting the salt, add some mint leaf and some coriander leaves. Now close the cooker and cook it for 1 whistle. This step is optional. In a pan, heat some oil and add 1 onion. Fry till golden brown in color like this and take it off the flame. Once the pressure is gone, open the cooker. The aroma is just so amazing. Mix it slightly, do not break the rice. Now in goes 200 grams of paneer, this is optional, and some fried onions. Our delicious restaurant style veg pulav or veg biryani is ready. Do try this recipe and I'm sure you will not miss the restaurants. Also, do not forget to send a snap of it to the mail ID mentioned below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe. Do not forget to hit the bell icon to get post notifications. Do like, share and comment down below. Until then, bye bye.